welcome to ETC Food and Pastries. Today we'll be making cinnamon roll. I know all of you already know what cinnamon roll is, so let's proceed. Okay, here we have sugar. This is sugar. Then we have butter. Then we have the flour. This is the flour. Then we have the yeasts. Okay, we're adding yeast at least to allow it to rise a bit. Then we have the sesame seed. The sesame seed. So we'll be adding it after egg washing. Then we have the raw egg here. We'll use the raw egg for egg washing. Then before we now add the sesame seed to make it look beautiful. Then we have the cinnamon powder here. See it? There's the cinnamon powder. We'll be mixing it with sugar. Then we have salt, at least to make it taste a bit salty. Then we have the oil. Yeah, you can use any oil, just a form of grease to grease the pan. That's it. So okay, right now I want to make the cinnamon, mix the cinnamon with the sugar. We're supposed to make use of brown sugar, but in absence of brown sugar, you can use normal sugar. They are all the same thing. We have to on the oven to preheat the oven. Finally, after egg washing, then we'll put our sesame seed and allow it to dry small. Let's go. right. Hello. Our cinnamon roll is ready. Hello, my lovely people. This is the outcome of the cinnamon roll. So thank you very much. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube, please do well to subscribe, follow, and activate the notification button so that you can get notification each time I drop a video. Thank you very much.